Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to leave from a Discord server. So to leave from a server, you need to open your Discord application. Then from the top left corner, click on this 3-bar icon there and select any server that you want to leave. For example, I want to leave from Fury VIP Official. Then I need to click on this 3-dot icon in the right and then scroll up and you will find leave server. So click on this and tap on yes. So after that you will be leave from this server. That's all for today. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe.